Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about the properties of the integers and the BODMAS education execution sequence. So let's start with the video. So in this we have two modules which are the foundational laws where we are defining the physics of the integers, what operations are allowed and what breaks the system. And in the order of execution, we'll be establishing the precise sequence of the operations, the BODMAS and bracket hierarchy. So in the simulations, we'll be applying the laws and the execution order to increasingly complex equations. So let's start. So there are actually four properties. The first one is the closure property. It is a system integrity. So if you operate on two integers, the result still remains as the integer. And here is the commutative. If you do an operation on two integers and if you reverse the order, it should be the same. Then only this property can be satisfied. Associative means it is made by groups. And again, if you change the group order, still you should get the same order, same answer. In the distributive, we'll be trying to distribute some of the operations into these forms. And these are the proofs for that. For the closure, sum is always an integer, so it is satisfied. For example, 5 plus 3 is 8. Difference is also always an integer. Example 5 minus 8 is minus 3, so it is satisfied. Product is also always an integer. So because 5 3s are 15, so still it satisfies. But division, it cannot be always an integer because if you do 5 by 2, you'll be getting 2.5. So this doesn't satisfy. Like that only we have for commutative. Because here, first of all, order doesn't matter. Because 5 plus 3 is 8 and 3 plus 5 is 8. So this satisfies. But here order matters. Because 5 minus 3 is 2. But 3 minus 5 is minus 2. But here in multiplication, 5 3 is a 15. 3 5 is a 15. Both are same. So it satisfies. But in division, here order matters. Means if you do 6 by 2, you'll be getting 3. But if you do 2 by 6, you'll be getting 1 by 4. So this doesn't satisfy at all. And in associative, here also if you do, you'll be getting same answer. For example, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. And if you again add here, 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 2 is 9. So in left hand side we'll be having 9, in right hand side also will be having 9. So as both are same, this addition satisfies. Here, if you do, here it doesn't satisfy because 5 minus 3 is 2, when 2 minus 2 is 0. But it is not equal because 3 minus 2 is 1 and 5 minus 1 is 4. So it doesn't satisfy. Here in this multiplication, it satisfies because 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Alright, here also you'll be getting same. 3 4s are 12, 12 2s are 24. And here grouping matters in this division because 12 by 4 is 3 and 3 by 2 will be in the left hand side. But in the right hand side, you will be getting 12 by 2, which is 1 by 6. So as they both are not equal. Distributive property is given here for these formulas. But because division cannot distribute like that and multiplication is a distributing operator, we kept it as n/a. And division exhibits the highest failure rate around this one. And this is the order of brackets. First we'll be going with the bar bracket. Then we'll be going to the parenthesis, which are the circle brackets. Then the curly brackets. Then the square brackets. This is the order of the brackets. Now in the BODMAS, we'll be having first the brackets. We should be solving them, calculating anything inside these brackets. And O stands for off, means multiplication. Like 1 by 2 of 10 is 5. And next division and then multiplication. then addition, then subtraction. So these all come under the BODMAS property. Now you will be seeing the basic problems for them. This is the level 1. So here when we are doing the sum, first we'll be doing the brackets, then we'll be multiplying before adding. In the second one also, we have completed the brackets, we have executed the power, then we multiplied, then we got the answer. These are some of the hard ones. First we should do the brackets, then as 2 3 6 it came down. Now we should execute them squares, then we should divide, then we should add. Same for this also. First brackets, then divide, then multiply. Now here, fourth one. First the parenthesis, then we'll be multiplying, then we'll be adding, then we'll be getting. Here also the same process. And here also, first we'll be doing the parenthesis, then again we'll be solving, then again multiply, then you'll get. And this is also the same process. And this one are the master ones. See, 20, first we need to do 20 divided by 5. Then we'll be doing 3 square. Then we'll be doing the parenthesis, multiplication, then adding. Like that only we'll be doing. So this is a full summary of this. You can take the print also, and these are very, very important ones. This is a closure, commutative, associative, and distributive. This contains everything which are satisfying or not satisfying. And you can take an interactive check of your brain that you have understood this concept by scanning this QR code. And finally, we have completed the integer operations course. So, thank you for watching this video. And